Hey everyone! Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I truly appreciate your time and support. If you're new here or haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with my latest content. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing software called Internet Download Manager, or IDM for short. IDM is a powerful tool that can boost your download speeds by up to 5 times, resume, and schedule downloads. It's an incredibly useful tool that helps manage and optimize your downloads, ensuring you get the files you need as quickly as possible. But that's not all. I have a fantastic offer for you. In the description below, you'll find a URL that will allow you to download the full version of Internet Download Manager for free. That's right, you can get your hands on this incredible software without spending a dime. So why wait? Head to the link in the description and get started with Internet Download Manager today. Not only will you be downloading files faster than ever before, but you'll also be supporting the channel by subscribing and spreading the word about this amazing offer. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Happy downloading, and I'll see you in the next video.